Hello student, this is the second method to find a correlation, that is a rank correlation. The first method was coefficient of correlation. Okay, so to find the degree of relation of different variable, we are using a coefficient of correlation and rank correlation. Okay, now the definition of this rank correlation: the coefficient of correlation in respect of some two characteristics of an observation is called rank correlation, and it is denoted by the symbol rho, and it is defined like this: 1 minus 6 sigma x minus y whole square upon n into n square minus 1, or 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. So in three cases we are finding a rank correlation. The first one is when the data are given. Okay, when second case is when the ranks are assigned to the given data, and the third case data are repeated. Okay, now let us see the first case, and I'll explain through the example. 10 students got the following percentage of marks in two subject x and y. Compute their rank correlation coefficient. Okay, the marks of x and y in x and y are given. Two subject, that is. Okay, so first of all we have to assign the ranks to this given data with in according to their order of the magnitude. Okay, so let us see in the first column 98 will be awarded a rank first, and a 90 will be awarded a second rank. Okay, so this way we have to make the column. In first column write down all the marks and assign a rank. Okay, so this is a case 1. When the marks are given, we have to assign the rank. Okay, so 90, see, you can see 98 got first rank, 90 got second rank, and 82 got third ranks, and fourth rank is 78. So this way you have to assign the rank. Now for the marks of y, first rank is 91, second rank is 86, third rank is 84, fourth rank is 68. So this way you have to assign a rank. Now the next column will be what? X minus y. We have to subtract this rank. Okay, and it is denoted by as D. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. So this way you have to subtract the rank of x and y. Then square this D. 1, 0 square 0. 4 square 16. 1 square 1. Minus 2 square is 4. And add this. You are getting 30. Okay. Now using the row formula, rank correlation, 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. N is 30. Number of entries in the data is 30. So 6 into d square is 30 we got here. 6 into 30, this n into n square minus 1. 10 into 10 square minus 1. Nearly we are getting 0.82. This also what should lie between minus 1 to 1. Okay, so this way we have to find the rank correlation when the data are given, and we have to assign the rank. If there is, suppose there is a one note, if there is a tie for the second rank in two magnitude means datas. Okay, so tie means the rank we have to add 2 plus 3 upon 2. We have to take the average. Okay, when the magnitudes are repeated, then there will be a tie for particular rank. In such cases we assign an average rank like this: 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 2.5 is assigned to both the magnitude, thereby reading both second and third rank. Okay, and here m is equal to 2. Now to find the rank correlation, there is a different formula when it is used when the magnitudes are repeated. Okay, so 1 minus 6 sigma in the bracket d square plus m into m square minus 1 upon 2 plus so on upon n into n square minus 1. Okay, here m is what? That is 2.5 we got average. We have to take it as 2. Okay, this is a small example and important note also. When the magnitude are repeated and if there is a tie for the second rank in two magnitude, so we have to remove the what average of that those marks, then put it in this formula to find the rank correlation.